Hello guys, I'm Bhavna Chawla. Welcome to Smart Horizon. In this video, we will learn the basic technique of making an explosion box. For this, I am using this colored paper or pastel sheet, Fevicol, scissor, pencil, cutter, and for decoration, I am using this paper strips. These are quilling strips. You can even use satin ribbon here. So here I am using this pink pastel sheet. Dimensions are 18 centimeter by 18 centimeter. Now I will draw 9 squares with the help of scale and pencil. The dimensions will be 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter. So here I have 9 squares. These are my 9 squares. 6 by 6 centimeter is the dimension. I will cut these 4 corner squares out of this paper with the help of a scissor. I'll cut these squares out. Now I will make crease with the help of this scale by putting this scale on this edge and folding the paper by hand. I will do this for all the 4 sides. So this is our box part ready. Now we will be doing the cap part. For this I will be needing this sheet and I will make a square of 6.3 centimeter by 6.3 centimeter with the use of a pencil. After that we will be extending the edges to 2.5 centimeter. So here I have this design which I have drawn. I have this square of 6.3 into 6.3 centimeter and these 4 squares are of 2.5 into 2.5 centimeter. Now what I'll do is I'll take scissor and cut one edge of the paper like this. Then I turn it around, cut another edge, turn it again, and in this similar way I'll do it for all the 4 corners. Now with the help of a scale I'll make crease by folding it with the help of my hand. Now I will fold these small parts too with the help of my hand. I'll do it on all the 4 edges like this. Now what I will do is, I'll make a cap out of it by folding it like. I'll put Fevicol on this small edge and paste it to the another, like this. I'll do it for all the four. So this is our cap part and this is our box part. Now for decoration, I'll be using this quilling paper, quilling strip. I'll be pasting it on the cap in this way across the cap. I'll cut the extra strip. I'll put Fevicol and paste it across the cap. So this is our output that we get, the cap and the box. When we open it, it's like this. This is our explosion box basic technique. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Thank you.